Can I also please call up on stage CEO of Huawei India, Chen. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm round of applause as Chen. Can I request you to kindly join us on stage? What should we expect from the upcoming telecom policy? What is it that the industry is really looking forward for from the national telecom policy? To offer an industry perspective on these questions, could I kindly request CEO of Huawei India, Chen?
Good morning. Honorable Minister of State for Communication, Independent Charge, and the Minister of State for Railway, Sri Manoj Sinha ji, and Mr. Akhil Gupta, the Chairman of the Bharati Infratel, and Mr. T.K. Arun, Opinion Editor, senior officials from the DOT and the trial, leaders from industry, friends from media, and the ladies and the gentlemen, good morning, namaste. Today, I'm very pleased that Huawei is partnering with the Economic Times to present India Mobile Conclave, the Vision 2022. Actually, in today's world, digital transformation is a critical choice for growth, for companies and for countries alike. Countries need to open the data floodgates to irrigate slowing economics. Companies must take a tight grip on the opportunities of the digital age and mine them for profit. In the midst of the digital transformation, everyone is searching for ways to use the new technologies to pull ahead, to be a part of the intelligent world, and to share in the digital dividend. If you want to get rich, build a road. This is a Chinese experience proved in the last 30 years. Today, the role of the ITC infrastructure demonstrates how vital it is. The ICT connections are the road on which the digital economy runs. Huawei's Global Connectivity Index, the 2017, reports that the ICT multiplier effect is only getting stronger. In year 2016, every dollar spent on the ICT infrastructure drove $3 in GDP growth. As the forecast, by year 2025, each dollar invested in the ICT will create $5 in added GDP. That's what we found. And the governments needed to provide more supportive policies to encourage investment in ICT. Decisive, visionary governments will set the policies that help companies turn digital transformation into digital reality. This also is what we found globally. 4 key technologies are especially important in today's digital transformation. These technologies are enabling the changes we see today and those we will see in the future. They are the connectivities. That means the pipe and the cloud. And the next is the IoT. And the last one is video. So currently, if you have opportunity visit China or you have the opportunity visit Korea, such as the Winter Olympic Game this year in Korea, you will see how the video can drive the business, not only for the Korea, but also other industries. This is become as the equal. Being an industry leader, we at Huawei start investing since 2009 onwards in 5G. That means the pipe side. And that investment has enabled us today to sign more than 10 5G large-scale trial networks. And we could launch global first 5G-enabled CPE at recent MWC Barcelona, only 1 month back. That means 5G network already come to us closer and closer. We look forward to work together with the India government and the India telecom industry to use 5G in India. Currently, as per our experience, global and India, we believe the large capacity network and afford network is very important. But in the next coming years, possible very soon, in the 1 year or 2 years, the network quality will really drive the difference between the operators. And industry digitization is placing the new demands on the Korea. To achieve new growth, carriers need to take 3 major steps. They need to provide digital connectivity, digitize traditional industry, not only the telecom, but other industries, and develop cloud applications and big data analytics. Huawei is dedicated to make breakthroughs through unremitting efforts. We work with our partners to build an open, collaborative ecosystem that enables shared success among the business alliance, industry alliance, open source community, and developer platforms. Based on the Huawei analysis of the best practice globally, we are convinced that the first infrastructure collaboration with the utility companies can reduce hugely network construction cost and improve deployment the efficiency. Second, leverage mobile fixed synergy to achieve the home broadband rollout cost efficiency. And the third, look to tax incentive to encourage broadband development and deployment to migrate the internet services cost. And of course, apply the wireless technology as an alternative to fixed for rural broadband coverage, where fiber is not feasible or variable, especially in India scenario. India is undergoing massive digital transformation market. We are all looking forward to the National Telecom Policy 2018. And we are confident that it will guide all of us to the future under the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Telecom Minister and India government. We strongly believe with the joint efforts of the government, regulators, and the industry players, India's demographic dividend translates into digital dividend through the ICT leapfrog. I wish this conclave my best. Thank you.